So we have just completed the series of addition, subtraction, multiply, and dividing fractions. Although the next topic is percentages, which is a little bit part of fraction, but CXC normally tests fractions independently from percentages. Percentages normally it comes as a word problem. So now would be a good idea to explore a little bit how CXC normally phrase their questions on fractions. So please go to the Google Classroom. Here it is, EVIUIHV. You go to classwork. We go to past papers. Let's take a recent past paper. Let's start from the most recent one. 2022, this year, June 2022. How did CXC test the candidates on fractions? What fraction question did they put? How the fraction question looking like? Here it is. So let us grab it. So as we say, each topic or semi-subtopic we complete, we are going to the past papers and incorporate past papers with what we are doing. Oh. Paste it in Paint because I'm using WordPad. Copy it and paste it back in WordPad. Now, this was taken from the June 2022. We can all recall the website. Okay, just to review how to get the website. In that very same Google Classroom, you go to Classwork, you go to CSECMATH information, you go to CSEC website, click on the Word version, click on the link, and you get in the CSEC website, the solutions. We're looking for the solutions of the June 2022. Oh, it was not, I just recall, they have not prepared the June 2022 yet. What they have the July 2021. Okay, let's go for the July 2021. So the June 2022, we can solve it. You all can practice it, attempt it, suggest an answer, and I can prepare an explanation for it, and I can upload it in the further explanation. Let's check on the July 2021, just to show you what you can do independently. You do not have to wait for the class to reach that. You have to do a lot of things on your own. Where is the July 2021? Okay, look, I see a July mark there, July 2021. Did CXC test fractions in that year? Yes, they did. There it is. So you can see now the questions that CXC ask on questions on fractions. It's not as simple as how we did. They have a mix of the operations. Here you have a divide and a subtract. In this year, they had a what? They had a mix of add and divide. Okay, the solutions for this, I can prepare it. The solutions for this one, we can even name it. This one is June 2022. Well, let me just put it there not to mix it up. June 2022. And this one is July 2021. Okay. So probably I can put the July before. July comes before June. The 2021 comes before 2022. No. You can attempt the June 2021. However, you can verify your answer by going to the website. You go to solutions and you look for July 2021 past paper. You open it. Let's see, open. It was there. So you simply go to solutions, July 21, you click on it, 2021, paper 2. As you can see, there are also paper 3s. You see, paper 3. For the continuing studies, paper 3. And here is the solution for the July 2021. You can study it. Here it is. Okay, here it is. Okay, I can put this there. And under there now, just put solution. Okay. And the same applies for the June 2022. Just leave that as June 2022. And here just put solution, pending to do. So we check out this one. In the meantime, you can revise the July 2021 solution. And you can do that for the other years. You don't have to restrict yourself to June 2021 and 2022. Okay. As you can see in the classroom, you have from 2012 to 2022. And the solutions are there. The solutions I'm seeing here for paper 2, they have from 2021 to, it goes right down, it seems. Okay, it goes right down, because look at right there, I have to scroll down. Okay, so probably have to minimize this. And so it goes right down. Okay, a little. So it goes right down. I'm seeing all like 2015, 2016, and so forth. So please do that. And the more you do, the better. Every day, try to do something. Okay. So careful inspection of this question. There are more than one concept being applied. Fractions and order of operation, because we have two different operations. We have a plus and a divide. Which one do we do first? Okay, so that's order of operations. There's an acronym called BEDMAS, or some person say BEMDAS. BEDMAS, we can use BEDMAS. BEDMAS is the same as bracket first, exponents after, brackets, exponents. I'm not going to write the full word. Exponents, that's powers, and division, and multiply. are interchangeable. You can do multiply before division, you can do division before multiply, because that's why you have it, also have it as BEMDAS. The same thing applies with addition and subtraction. You can do addition before subtraction, you can do subtraction before addition. But you must do division or multiply before addition or subtraction. You must do the exponents before addition, before division, or even addition. You must do whatever inside of the brackets first. So this is why now, in a solution of this question, you may want to keep the 7/8 still, put a plus, and in a bracket, you put a 1/6 divided by, here's our division sign, over 9, to stress the fact that you must do what's inside of the bracket first. You must do division before addition. One of the ways you can do that for neatness of work, you can carry this forward and do this by parts. You can even put part 1 there. You can't tell you nothing, part 1. So you're going to do that by itself. 1/6 divided by 2/9. Change flip. So this is 1/6 multiplied by 9/2. Numerator times numerator, that's 1 times 9 over denominator times denominator, that's what? 6 times 2. One times 9 is 9 over 6 to the 12. Can this fraction be simplified? Yes. We can divide 9 by 3 and we can divide 12 by 2. 9 by 3 also, sorry. 9 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3. Okay. And this will give us 9 divided by 3 is 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So you have 3/4. And then you can call this part 2 now. Because if you have to do this, then you have to carry the 7/8 all the time. Okay? And now we deal with the 7/8. That's one of the ways of doing this. Another teacher might not do it that way. They might carry 7/8 all the time. So you have to be carrying 7/8 all the time. Okay? So you have 7/8 plus 3/4. When you look at the 8 and the 4, you can simply multiply, or you can just say 8 is a multiple of 4. So you can keep your 8 in your denominator, and in your numerator now, you simply write, how many 8s are there in 8? 1. 1 by 7 is 7 plus. How many 4s are there in 8? 2. 2 3s are 6. 7 plus 6 is 16 over 8. That's an improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. How many 8s are there in 13? 1. What is the remainder? What is 13 minus 8? 5. 5 upon the same 8. So that's 1 and 5/8. And that should be the answer for this question. Please practice this, and you can even verify. You can even apply at do this in your calculator to verify. You can ask another teacher. You can ask a tutor. You can ask questions on the website. Okay, and you can look for the solutions for 2022. Probably later down it will come. All right, and to verify. So that is the answer for June 2022, the first question. And normally that's what happens. The first question is normally on fractions. So this is why I study the sequences of the questions in the past paper. So that is why now the units that I created tend to go more or less in line with the topics that normally come in a past paper question. Most past papers start with fractions. We dealt with 2 of them and we can see that. So please practice as much as possible.